Is dip part of the food pyramid? Because if it's not, it should be. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. I adore dip. Give me a chip, a cracker, a little veggie situation, and something to dip it in, and I'm a happy camper. Right now, I'm focusing on sharing some small batch recipes because we can't get together for big parties, but that doesn't mean we can't enjoy some small batch party foods like dip. Today, we're making a small batch shallot dip that I know you're gonna love. Let's do it. We're gonna start with a little bit of olive oil. A lot of bit of olive oil, it's all good. And I already have my shallots chopped because I didn't want to cry on camera again. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this in here and saute them until they're like a nice golden brown. We're not going full deep caramelization, but if you want to, you can spend the extra time and do it. All right, so 3/4 of a cup of shallot. Chopped shallots go right into our oil. We're also gonna add in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. It's gonna help release some of that liquid in there and make some really nice soft onions, shallots, I mean. And then we're gonna go ahead and do about 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And we're gonna cook this, stirring occasionally. You also wanna deglaze, so have some water handy, maybe a little white wine if that's what you're into. And yeah, let's do it. Making a little mass like I usually do. Come back here. So when you notice the shallot starting to stick a little bit, that's when it's time to do a little deglazing. You want to scrape all those bits up, and that adds some delicious flavor. Get all those good bits up. Yes. It's gonna be so good. These look gorgeous, so we're just gonna take them off this heat, and then we're going to put them right into this bowl. I wanna eat you right now, but I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be patient. All right, gorgeous. Then let's add like a good pinch of garlic powder. Give it a little stir, and we're gonna let it cool. Our shallots are nice and cool. They've hung out for about 10 minutes. We're just gonna add in some sour cream. Love sour cream. About 2 tablespoons of mayo. Get it all in there. We're gonna chop up some chives. About 2 tablespoons as well. Yeah, that looks good. We're gonna add a little lemon juice too, about 1.5 teaspoons. This small guy, I think we're just gonna put it all in here. And then we're gonna finish it off with a teaspoon of soy sauce. Just gonna give it like a little extra something, you know, a little umami, if you will. Nice little stir action. Oops, don't make a mess, Michelle. Come on, we're almost at the end of the recipe. Oh my goodness, those shallots smell so good. All right, so this looks gorgeous, and it needs to chill for at least an hour. Longer is better. I like to chill it overnight before we dive in. So let's go in the fridge, little guy. All right, friends, our small batch shallot dip is ready to go. It's hung out overnight. It's in a cute little bowl. I gave it a little garnish because why not? And I am ready to dive in. But before I take a dip, you should check out my other small batch party food recipes, which you can find right here. Go check those out. All right, chip, dip, yes. Oh my God. The shallot is nice and sweet, and like the lemon is so bright in there. Oh, I love it.